coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. We can spend all day in bed.
Hey guys, good. Yeah, there is like a cage.
Oh, it's like that. My finger one.
Yeah. So we had come to the caves, but the 2 buses came in with all the school kids, and it's just chaotic. So now, which is a good thing, that we are actually spending at the night here, because then at least we'll come back tomorrow. So they open at 6 a.m. so we'll come back tomorrow basically. Called mimicking. When an animal, plant or whatever mimics something that is feared by other organisms. So if they are predators, they wouldn't be so keen on feeding on this guy because he looks like a scorpion.
Quite a lot, huh?
Yeah, these houses are actually quite noise proof.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to bump into me.
You
are we
right.
going this way?
Yeah.
So I bumped into you.
Yeah.
See, that's a lie. The lie detector determined you are not being truthful. Can I even see? I've never been in a cave this huge. Wow. These caves are definitely extensive. There are so many channels, just crazy, it's magnificent. Nothing like this. You have to come here and see for yourself. The feeling, you cannot even put it to words.